Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So today our video is going to be a bit different than what we normally do on this channel. We have a softbox here that is from Godox, and we are going to learn how we can set this up. That means to assemble this, and we're also going to learn how to disassemble in the next video. So if you are looking for the disassembly guide, then I'll make sure to leave them in the description. So these are the things that we have initially over here. This is the main outer layer of the Velcro that you can see, and this is actually the ring that is available, where this is going to act as a main sticking point between this Velcro and our stand. We also have these two little cloths that is going to soften the rays of the light that our softbox produces, and we have these sticks over here, as you'd be able to see, which is going to act as a support for attaching these lights over here. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to look at the outer Velcro over here, and if you look underneath or inside, I would say this Velcro, you have these little points, which is the point for attaching the stick, right? So you can see this little point at the top over here, and at the middle there is a small tie to tie this knob to, and at the bottom also we will attach it, passing it through here. So we will do this, or I would say rather repeat this for all of the four sides towards our Velcro. So just grab the stick that we have earlier and insert this through these layers one after the other. So this is the first layer that we passed, and we go to the second layer, and here we have the final layer. So what you want to do is form a combination that looks like this towards all of these four sides of this Velcro. Repeat it with all the remaining three sides now. So as you can see, we've stuck it to all of the four sides, and you want to form something like this from all the four sides, making sure it is stuck at the top, tied at the bottom, and tied in the middle as well for all the four sides. Now we're going to focus towards the bottom part of this Velcro, and that small space is where we have to attach our ring from these little final points of the stick. Now if you look at this ring over here, it has got multiple holes on the sides of it, right? These holes are divided by odd and even numbers. That is, you have got 1 and you have got 2 on each of those sides, 1 and 2. So for now, what we're going to do is we will just ignore these two holes, and we will only focus on a hole that is isolated, which is a single hole. So here it will be on the first side as well as the opposite side, and the sideways and the other side. So as we talked earlier, the final part of this sticks is where we attach these little holes to. So you can actually stretch this. You don't have to be worried about anything. These are a bit stretchable, and this stick is also bendable, but make sure to not bend too much so that you don't break it. Now what we're going to do is this tiny little circle will face downward, while this is going to face upward. So it will be something like this. So now we are going to focus on attaching all these. So as you can see, after you're done, this is what the final combination should look like. It should be very firm and sturdy, so you can try to move around a little bit. And let me show you from the back side as well. Now what we're going to focus on is we're going to focus on attaching this little thing, which is this little center, which is the cone, or I would say the lever point between the stand and our light source. Now let's move on to the stand. So here you can see this is our stand where we attach this Velcro, and if we look at our Velcro, or the back side of our Velcro once again, here we have these three little points, as you can see here, and these three little points is how we attach this to the stand. So if you look closely at the stand, let me just zoom this a little bit for you. You can see the 3 points here as well. So here is one, here is one, here is one. What we do is we insert the 3 points from our light onto this particular stand. So let me just go ahead and then do that as well. And if I have to show you from sideways, you can see this little knob over here as well. So you just have to hold this down for a while. So while you attach this, you have to hold this down like this. So let me show that to you again. And you can try to grab it from the inside like this, and let's go on to attaching it. Now you can see our light has been attached. You can try to move it around, and see if it is quite sturdy or not. Now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the remaining pieces, which are these little cloths over here, that is to soften the light that comes or is emitted from our softbox here. Now I just also want to mention that before we get any further, you can see that our Velcro may open loose like this. So you have to make sure to attach these ends very carefully and very neatly like this, and make sure that they're tight enough so that they don't move around as much. So now let's move on to the front side again. So first, let's look at this little tiny piece of cloth over here. On the sides of each of these points of this small cloth, you can see a pin which can be used to attach. Now where do we attach this? If you look inside previously where we attached the middle part, right? This middle part where there is this white thing, as you can see here. So this little white piece of cloth is where we attach these two one after another. We just happened to open this like this and we just tie them all together. So let me repeat that for all the four sides. Remember, not the top one, not the bottom one, but the middle one where there's this little white cloth hanging around. So now you can see the inside piece is ready. Now we have to cover it using the outer layer. So let's get on to that as well. So on the outer layer also, you can just focus on these four corners diagonally, and you can see this piece of cloth and you can see there's a turnaround on this cloth, which we can simply hang it. And there's a small sticking part over here which will stick towards the center on the sides of each of these sides. So let me repeat this process as well, and make sure that this little part at the top that we stick like this, and follow the same steps at the bottom. Stick the sides at the top, towards the very bottom, stick the sides at the top, and towards the left hand side as well. Make sure that they are strongly attached. Now you can see that our softbox is ready and completely ready for use. If I just turn around a little bit for the cameras as well. Now what do we do to adjust the height and length and the rotation of this also I'm going to show you. As for the rotation, you can see this little knot over here. What we do is we just untie this loose and now we can rotate it like this. So this is for the sideways rotation. Now if you want the upward and downward movement, so let me show you from the other side. Now as for the upward and downward movement, you can hold this little bar. Now while holding this, make sure to hold at the top so that this doesn't fall off. You just break this loose like this. So let me just do that. Break this loose like this. So now it's hanging, and now you can see we can move this vertically. So the previous one was horizontally and this one is vertically. Once you're happy with your position, just get this back like this up again to tighten it. And this was it for today's tutorial on how we can set up a softbox. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. And if this video did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It's not very often that we make these kind of tutorials, but when we do, we make sure that it's really useful for you. And as I said at the beginning of this video, if you want a disassembly guide, I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box below, which you can just go and check it out, or by clicking the I button from the top right hand side. Again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.